always key to have offcuts so that you don't actually have to cut down an enormous piece of metal. So, we want to measure. Trusty ruler and our sharp hack. And it does vary in width, so if you go a bit big you can whittle it down. It starts off at about, I don't know, 23 mil the lip, and if that's come off the shear that should be dead straight, which we will absolutely love. Straight, which it should be, because it came off with a much bigger sheet. You should be able to just go like this, and it will line up beautifully. As I smudge it with my finger. Yeah. So all I have to do is take this to the burner, go to it, not in so many words, and start it off. Try and turn this thing. Surely it can turn. Turn, you bastard. Hey, now we're cooking with gas. Tight. Stupid thing is, we actually want to fold the other side because we're going to go that way with it, aren't we? Not to worry, I've made this mistake before. There we go. We'll see, there's one downside with this thing, it doesn't have a 90-degree bend on it, measurement point on it, so it makes it difficult if you just get a little bit too far. Just going to tweak that a little. Back, tilt down. Is that tight? Why is that going loose? It's loose. There we go. Yeah, so we're pretty much there. The idea is not to actually make it so it can sit perfectly over the top of it. Otherwise, the thing you're making will end up slightly bigger. which is where some of those quarter panel sections get their issues from, because they end up too damn big. So, I was a Tibetan girl, I put my stretcher on and add some steel there. Well, it doesn't actually add it, it just grabs tools. Still highly recommend getting one of these things. I mean, they seem a bit pricey, but no words describe how much better they make your life and the ability to make things. So you can already tell it is no longer a straight bend. Oops, which way is this going? It's already starting to curve it. Yeah, screaming that's just the other workshops doing whatever it is they're doing. They sound like they're killing deer. It does sound like it. I don't think that's actually what they're doing. Yeah, and you'll notice that you have to actually slowly bend this bit by hand, because it will bend here, but it will just end up straight over there. Look at that, nearly there. More through the guts. Through the guts, he says. And the worst thing is, if I stretch too far, I can put it in the other one and shrink it back down. It's got some oh my god factor. I screwed up. Ability to recover if you overdo it. Actually, often found the top of this thing actually have a pretty good curve in it. It can be used. Such a beauty. I'm also doing this all freehand, so if it screws up, I'm blaming you guys. Because I can. Actually sharpen it that way. And I just dropped my ruler. Maybe I'll pick up my ruler, that'd be nice. Dumbass. Yeah, he knocked it over. I will also point out that I got a hell of a lot of my roll locks from good old eBay. These little guys. I don't know, these guys. It was like 50 for $18. Go anywhere else and try and get them that cheap, you might get a shock. And they work okay.